Welcome to Pointwise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. Except, today we aren't showing you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique. We're asking you what you would like to see. At this point, we've been making Tutorial Tuesday videos for quite some time, and we've covered every function in the menus. Not only that, we've recently linked all of the relevant videos and placed them to their respective manual pages. And if you haven't checked out the online manual, you really should next time you have a question about how to use a feature or how a feature works. In addition to all of the functions, we've started to explore other topics like topologies and the process of how to achieve a specific goal. We still have ideas for videos, but we're at a place now where we'd like to ask you, our faithful users, what do you want to see? What can we show you? We may break up an idea into several videos, kind of like what we did when we were showing off the framework's capability. Or we may be able to get it all into one of our 3-minute videos. There's a few different ways you can make a suggestion. Drop us a line down below. Hit us up on Twitter. You can find a link in the description. Or shoot us an email. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Or because a suggestion or an idea you might have may show up in a future video. We look forward to your suggestions, and as always, thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.